Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn off the emergency alert in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the system app. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in system app, okay, find the message. Okay, click message. And okay guys, here in message, okay, you can see the more message settings. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in more message settings, okay, you can see below the emergency alert settings. So okay, you'll have to do is click emergency alert settings, and now you can see the emergency alert switch button on the top. So okay, you can turn off this by clicking the switch button. Okay, and okay guys, your emergency alert is off. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.